Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Nintendo Switch controllers are probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make to your gaming experience, transforming how you interact with your favorite titles and unlocking new levels of precision and comfort. Whether you're a casual player looking for a more ergonomic grip or a competitive gamer demanding lightning-fast response times, the right controller can make all the difference in your performance and overall enjoyment. With a vast array of options available, from official Nintendo Pro controllers to third-party alternatives offering unique features, choosing the perfect fit for your playstyle and budget is key to maximizing your Nintendo Switch adventures. Number 5. PowerA Joy-Con Comfort Grips for Nintendo Switch. Experience unparalleled comfort during your gaming sessions. These grips are designed to fit perfectly in your hands, making extended play feel effortless. Enjoy a lightweight, ergonomic design that allows for comfortable gameplay wherever you go. Take your Nintendo Switch experience to the next level of comfort. Featuring double-injected rubber grips, these accessories provide added comfort and a secure hold. You'll feel more in control with every move. The easy slide-in design ensures each Joy-Con is securely held in place. Simply slide them in, and you're ready to play without worry. Never lose track of which player you are. Visible player indicator lights keep you informed at a glance, enhancing your multiplayer experience. What we like. If you prioritize comfort during extended gaming sessions, this grip is for you. Its ergonomic shape and rubber grips reduce fatigue. If you want a simple, secure way to hold your Joy-Cons, this is a great choice. What people say. The controller has a comfortable ergonomic design that fits well in the hands during long gaming sessions. It offers precise analog stick control and responsive buttons, enhancing gameplay accuracy. The built-in rechargeable battery provides several hours of playtime on a single charge, and it charges quickly via USB-C. Number 4. Orzly Accessory Bundle Kit for Nintendo Switch. This bundle offers comprehensive protection for your Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED. It includes a durable case and screen protectors, perfect for travel and storage. Elevate your gameplay with accessories designed to improve comfort and control. Accessories like the grip case and racing wheels make gaming more immersive. This kit provides all the essentials for your console. You'll find protective gear, gaming enhancements, and convenient charging solutions. Crafted by passionate tech fans, these accessories are built to last. They are designed to help you get the most out of your gaming experience. Endorsed by leading tech publications, this bundle is a top choice for Switch owners. It offers superior protection and an enhanced gaming experience. We are a London-based brand committed to quality and thoughtful design. Enjoy a great unboxing experience and peace of mind with our 1-year warranty. What we like. For the ultimate Nintendo Switch enthusiast who wants it all, this bundle is ideal. If you're looking for comprehensive protection, enhanced gameplay with accessories like wheels, and a travel case, this is the perfect all-in-one solution. What people say. The controller has a comfortable grip and fits well in the hands, making long gaming sessions more enjoyable. It offers a stable wireless connection with minimal lag, ensuring a smooth gameplay experience. The buttons are responsive and have a satisfying click, providing precise input for various games. Number 3. KINVOCA Wireless Controller for Nintendo Switch, Blue. This is one of the cutest controllers available for your Nintendo Switch. It's designed for easy pairing and is comfortable to hold, even during extended gaming sessions. It offers a full range of features including motion control, adjustable vibration, and customizable turbo functions. These capabilities are designed to enhance your gaming experience. Never miss a moment with the convenient wake-up feature. A simple press of the home button will instantly turn on your console from sleep mode. Enjoy up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge thanks to its built-in 300 mAh battery. It also supports charging while you play, ensuring uninterrupted fun. Enhance your gaming atmosphere with its unique breathing light feature. Plus, the integrated headphone jack allows for clear communication with your teammates. What we like. If you love a controller that's as stylish as it is functional, consider this one. Its adorable design and features like a headphone jack and turbo make it a standout. If you're looking for a comfortable, feature-rich controller with a unique aesthetic, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The controller has a comfortable grip and fits well in the hands, making long gaming sessions enjoyable. It features responsive buttons and analog sticks, providing precise control during gameplay. The built-in rechargeable battery offers a good amount of playtime on a single charge, which is very convenient. Number 2. ECHZOVE Switch Controller Grip for Nintendo Switch. Experience ultimate comfort with its ergonomic design, perfectly fitting your hands. Say goodbye to hand fatigue and enjoy superior control during extended gaming sessions. Setting up is a breeze. Simply attach it to your console, enable Pro Controller wired connection, and you're ready to play. It auto-connects for seamless gameplay. Immerse yourself in the game with its 6-axis gyroscope for gravity sensing and twin-motor vibration. It also features a print screen function to elevate your experience. Never interrupt your game again. With a built-in Type-C port, you can charge and play at the same time. It's compatible with your original Switch charger or a standard PD adapter. Keep your gameplay smooth by easily calibrating to avoid joystick drift. It also supports system upgrades, ensuring your controller is always up to date. What we like. This controller is perfect for those who primarily play in handheld mode and want maximum comfort. If you're experiencing hand fatigue or looking for a controller that's easy to set up and maintains precise control with its anti-drift feature, this is the one for you. What people say. The controller has a comfortable ergonomic design that fits well in hand during long gaming sessions. It offers precise analog stick control and responsive buttons, enhancing gameplay accuracy. The built-in rechargeable battery provides extended playtime on a single charge, reducing the need for frequent recharging. Number 1. SUPCASE Dual-Side Charging Dock for Nintendo Switch Joy-Con. Never run out of power again. This charging dock can power up to 4 controllers at once, with clear LED indicators showing you exactly when they're ready to go. Simply place your controllers on the dock either way. Its dual-side charging ensures a stable connection every time, making charging as convenient as possible. Set the mood for your gaming sessions. Choose from 9 different RGB lighting modes to create a unique atmosphere that matches your style. The magnetic design makes connecting your controllers a breeze. It ensures perfect alignment, protecting your charging ports and extending the life of your accessories. Play with peace of mind. A built-in smart chip prevents overcharging and overheating, automatically stopping power delivery once your controllers are fully charged. This charging station is specifically designed for your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controllers, keeping them powered and ready for your next adventure. Declutter your space with this compact and organized charging solution. Keep all your controllers in one dedicated spot, ready for action. What we like. If you have multiple Joy-Cons and want a streamlined charging solution, this dock is a must-have. Its ability to charge 4 controllers simultaneously and the cool RGB lighting make it both practical and visually appealing. If you want to keep your controllers organized and always ready to go, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The controller has a comfortable grip and fits well in the hands, making long gaming sessions more enjoyable. It offers a good range of motion with its analog sticks, allowing for precise control in games. The buttons are responsive and have a satisfying click, providing excellent tactile feedback during gameplay. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.